lettuce wraps filled with succulent grilled chicken. So I'm gonna get a quick marinade on the chicken. I've got some really thin chicken breasts and I'm adding some olive oil, minced garlic, lemon zest, and crushed red pepper, salt and pepper, and the rosemary I just chopped, really fine. There's kind of a little energy in the air today because my mom is coming and we all love G so much. My mom's name is Jerry. The kids have always called her G, and she's just kind of walking, talking, breathing sunshine everywhere she goes. Wouldn't you say?
I agree.
I agree.
I didn't necessarily think that when I was a teenager and she was like giving me rules. I didn't like those teenager rules at all. But I've come to appreciate her now that I have teenagers and it's all about rules in our house. Boy, I am really diving into the history of my adolescence. So if you have time, come and look at this, Alex. If you have time, you can get this marinade going and give the chicken a good hour or so, but we don't have time for that because G is on her way. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get these on the grill. They've already got plenty of oil on them, so get them on one by one. G lives about an hour and 15 minutes away, so hopefully the timing works out. All right, I'm gonna babysit these chicken breasts, cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, and then we'll keep moving forward with the mom lunch. The chicken is beautifully grilled, and I'm gonna just remove it to the board and let it cool while I make some other ingredients. Nothing like grilled chicken for a mom lunch. So I have a question. When are you guys gonna make me lunch? Huh?
You don't give us a chance.
Well,
You're always the one cooking.
fair point. For the lettuce wraps, I'm gonna make a really simple kind of bruschetta topping. And I've got some diced tomatoes, some finely diced onion. This is basically the tomato topping that you would put on top of grilled bread. Which, do you like bruschetta?
Oh, yeah.
Or bruschetta?
I love bruschetta.
It's one of my favorite things on earth. Chopped artichoke hearts from the jar or the can, either one. Lemon juice, olive oil.
This is right up G's alley. It's also fresh.
This is up G's alley. That is so true. Anytime G comes over, I just think, my mom's coming over. I'm so excited. Mommy. I want my mom. Okay, added some salt and pepper and a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. I just kind of leave these out on my stove. They never go into the drawer. And I'll give this a stir. Yum, yum.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, it's very simple, and you can add some fresh basil if you want, or just kind of, I like leaving it plain and holy. So I'll put this into a little dish. Things I love about my mom. She's nice to everyone. She's always got a smile on her face. Unless you get on her bad side. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't think she has a bad side.
I don't think so either. She speaks in sort of a sing-song voice.
She does.
It's like, hi, Ree. It's kind of, intonation. She's always optimistic. She's a fun person to be around, unless you're a teenager. Okay, so I'm gonna move this board over here. So I'm actually gonna present the lettuce wraps on a board so everybody can dive in and make their own. So I'm gonna put the tomato and artichoke mixture on the board, and I'll show you what else is on there here in a second. And I've got a big old knife, and I'm gonna chop or dice the chicken. You can slice it really thin, but I kind of want to get it into little bitty, kind of bite-sized bits. So give me a minute or two. I'm gonna chop up this chicken. Okay, so look at this board. I chopped the chicken and I put it on the board. I've got some Bibb lettuce leaves, some Parmesan, a little dish of pesto, the tomato artichoke bruschetta topping, and basil leaves. So isn't this a beautiful presentation?
So beautiful.
Lovely. I've also got some balsamic glaze. So I'm gonna save this for G's arrival because I don't want to mess everything up, but just for you viewers at home, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to serve. You can figure it out, it's very easy, but a little bit of chicken, a little bit of pesto on top of the chicken.
Yum.
Need another spoon here. A little bit of the bruschetta topping, and a little bit is a relative term. Little parm, some balsamic glaze. Oh, beautiful. And then, why not, a whole basil leaf.
Wow.
Oops. This is a great little spin on lettuce wraps. My mom loves flavors like this. She is going to absolutely love it. Unfortunately, this one is not gonna last until she gets here. Might as well go ahead and eat it. Definitely G friendly.